Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change keyboard on Android. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change your default keyboard on your Android phone, the first thing you want to do is you want to install a third-party keyboard from the Play Store. So go ahead and open the Play Store and search for either Swift keyboard or keyboard of your choice. Now go ahead and install the keyboard. Once you install the keyboard, go ahead and open it, and you're going to see the keyboard like this. Now, to change the keyboard on your device, go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on General Management. Then under General Management, scroll down and click on Keyboard. Now click on Default Keyboard. Go ahead and select your keyboard. In this case, I'll switch from the Samsung keyboard to Gboard. Once you selected it, now you are good. Now whenever you open any messaging application and then your keyboard pops, then you should see the new keyboard shown just like this. And that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.